and Yukia is for 30 seconds. If you're using the white bottle of chamfer foil gel, Yukia is for 60 seconds. All right, so we are going to cure this one for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna do this look. It's gonna be cool and stunning. Sarah, I am like inspired by you for this, and I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna paint it in the flowers. Like Sarah did it on her butterfly. So I'm so excited. Let's try it and see how it's turned out. Hopefully it's be good to me so I can show you. So with this design, you can do, doesn't matter. I like all of them. Oh, this one looks good. I try to get a lot of flowers on this one. I think this angle is good. All right, I'm gonna lay it right here because it get a lot of flowers that I expecting. So fun watching Sarah, and I love some of her great idea. Just rub it really well, and it's come right off. Great, so it's so tacky. Cool. Okay. So here's a cool, if you want to be really a good grips on this, I'm gonna put the quick matte top coat on it. You don't have to, you can fill it in, but we'll see how matte top coat gonna take us. Okay, here for 60 seconds. And I have my palettes right here, so I can using all this. And I'm going back to using my pre-seasoned, and let's see, go back this one. Let's see it. Good. No, Instagram can see it. So let me see it move down a little bit so Instagram can see it. Oh, good. Oh, I like that. Good. Matte. So let's see, we are going to do, okay, blue. Hold on. I'm cleaning my brush to make sure that is all of the pigments gonna get come off of my brush, so you don't it's not gonna contaminate the reds. So now I am loading my red color. It's really interesting. Sarah, I like it. It's kind of cool though. It's like give you a little bit of frame for you to draw your flowers. How about that? However, you can do any background. It just happened that I doing it, like imagine it, you do this with yellow. Ooh, it's gonna turn out so cool. But I do it because it's we celebrate July 4th. I keep the outlines. I'm gonna do red, white, and blue, and then red. I don't know, maybe white and blue. So only have red. I should do blue and white only. That's what I think. So I'm gonna clean this one, flash clear, but you know what? I was thinking a blue, white, red, blue, white, reds. Blue, white, and blue and white. Because we have a background red. We can leave the red alone. But if you want this, you can do this. And I'm just flash clear it. I'm just want to do flash clear it. And then do in just 10 seconds for that one. I'm gonna go into the blue and white. It's cool, at least we have one red. Okay, I needed that one back, please. And here is our, get a little bit of, and now I'm gonna fill into the white colors. I really like this details brush like that. Just fill in inside, and then you can do any colors. Just imagine it, this one you doing it with yellow colors, like blue colors, purple colors, flowers. It's gonna be so cool and stunning. It just happened that we celebrate the July 4th, so we do these colors on it. Red, white, and blue. They're so cute.
You got 30 seconds, so I'm gonna end the live.
So we'll be right back, okay, everyone? Be back with me, please.
We'll see you guys in just a second.
So I am filling all the spot, just a little bit of reds, whites, and blue. Hello everyone, our live now. Thanks so much for tuning in tonight and welcome back. Okay, so I'm gonna flash key this one for 10 seconds. The stream is not going. Not on. Yeah, the stream is not on. We are fixing a little bit of technical difficulty.
We're back on.
We are back on.
There you go, Nuna's back.
Didn't need to add.